Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kuheana iheo kuri arutwo aria marekite wega kigeranio-ini kia bururi mwena wa Kambui gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Githunguri, Reverend Joseph Wairi nioritie ateti maunire kanua ithigi hindi iria mekwaria mbere ya ciana na oho metheme uteti wa kurehe njatukano.
We need to get out of the politics in education, because education, it is like something that people need to live with. It is a development of its own kind that every child needs to be shaped and nurtured to it. But when you try to bring politics in it, you are defeating the noble job that is supposed not to be entered there in politics.
Nake meya wa tene wa Nairobi Dick Waweru wa Mbugua, uria riu niwe muikariri giti wa bodi ya macira megie uheani wa marua mokui, ni atetetie murugamiriri wa mutabarire wa mwerekera wa mathomo macukuru-ini, akiuga ni mekereire thieya kurekereria mutaratara mweru wa kuhuthika mathomo-ini ma nathari, undu uria augite ni ukoretwo ukirehera arimu gitango makigeria gwetha njira ingi cia gukinyaniria mathomo kuri ciana.
Somebody is letting us down, and I'm saying this in open daylight. Director of Institute of Curriculum Development must tell us why we have to wait for more than 1 year to get the proposed syllabus.
Undu uyu ukite thiku nini tu thutha wa njatukano nene kuoneka kiama-ini kia arimu kia KNUT kuria amwe marenda mwandiki munene Wilson Sossion eyeheria giti-ini makiuga mugarura igire ndagaga imwe igucura kuria maugite nyungu yao ya githomo riu niyo iracura. Sossion ageithirania ciegi uteti. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getu wa Ngari Maria wa Muigana.